If your short story feels pointless, the problem might not lie with your idea being bad or anything like that. Maybe. It could be because your story never actually becomes anything. Basically, it's probably a structural problem, not a talent problem. When people say a story feels pointless, what they usually mean is something like, okay, and what was the point of that? Why did I just read this? The writing might be solid. The setup might be interesting. You might even have good characters. But by the end, nothing lands. And that's the key word here. Lands. Because a short story isn't just supposed to present a situation. It's supposed to transform it. If we're using a clean short form structure, a short story moves through 4 phases. Orientation, scenario, turn, consequences. And when a story feels pointless, almost every time, the problem is here. The turn. The story never meaningfully turns. What that means is simple. The story starts in one state and ends in basically the same state. Things happen, information gets revealed, characters move through scenes, but nothing actually changes in what the situation means. So the reader leaves with no shift, no redefinition, no transformation. Just a situation that existed and then stopped. And that's why it feels pointless. Now, here's how that usually shows up. First, the story reads like a vignette. There's atmosphere, maybe a moment, maybe some emotional texture, but no decisive pivot. No point where the story becomes something different. Second, it feels like setup. Like you just read the beginning of something bigger. The story is preparing to matter, and then cuts off before it does. Third, the reveal doesn't matter. Something is revealed, sure, but it doesn't change the stakes, the character, or what the situation actually means. So it reads information, not transformation. And fourth, the ending just kind of stops. No conclusion, no landing, just a stop. All of these point to the same core issue. The story builds pressure, but never converts that pressure into change. To make this a little more concrete for some people, here's what I mean. Here's a weak version of a story. A woman visits her childhood home after years away. She walks through the rooms, remembers things, reflects on her past, and then leaves. That's a scenario. Things are happening, there's atmosphere, there's memory. Nothing actually changes though. Now, here's a version with a real turn. A woman visits her childhood home, expecting to feel nostalgia, but slowly realizes she has been romanticizing a past that was actually defined by fear. And by the end, she chooses not to preserve it, but to let it go. Same setup, but now the meaning shifts. The visit isn't just remembering, it's becoming a confrontation with truth. That's a turn. Here's another one. A man meets his estranged brother after years apart. They talk. It's tense. Old issues are hinted at. Conversation ends. Again, scenario, but no transformation. Now, with a real turn. A man meets his estranged brother expecting reconciliation. Only realize that what he actually wants is not forgiveness, but proof that he was right all along. Now the meeting changes meaning. It's no longer about healing, it's about validation, ego, and unresolved conflict. That shift is what gives the story weight. So, how do you fix a story that feels pointless? You fix the turn. And a real turn is not just something happening. It's a moment where the story crosses into something different, where what's going on is suddenly understood in a new way. That usually comes from one of 3 things: recognition, decision, or irreversible action. Recognition is when the character sees something they can no longer ignore. Decision is when the character chooses. and that choice reveals or changes everything. An irreversible action is when something happens that can't be undone, something that forces the story to a new state. Now, here's the important part I need you to remember. The turn doesn't just add information, it redefines the situation. So, ask yourself, after this moment, what does this story now mean that it didn't mean before? Can't answer that clearly? Your turn probably isn't strong enough. And once you have the turn, the ending has its job too. The ending isn't just where the story stops. It's where the story shows what it became. That's your consequence. Asking, how do I end this? What does this turn create? What's different now? What can't go back? What's been revealed? Then make the ending prove it. Maybe you'll prove it with a line of dialogue. Or maybe you use silence. I don't know, it's your story, your decision to make. Whatever decision you make needs to feel like the story has actually arrived somewhere new. So, here's the clean version of all this. If your short story feels pointless, it's not because nothing happened. It's because nothing actually changed. Fix the turn. Make the story process something different. Let the ending prove that change is real. And now that you're at the ending of this, if it helped you at all, don't forget to press the like button. And if you wish to see me troubleshoot your problems, ask in the comments about your problem.